Hello, my name is Ben from Apfeldoktor Germany, and today we don't do a repair together. The next repair video will come tomorrow. Today we just test something, and we test Shortkiller or Boardkiller. This is the device. It's called Shortkiller, and it's built by an electrotechnician from Turkye, and a friend of me from Germany sells them here in Germany, and he mailed the device to me and said, "Hey Ben, can you please test this Shortkiller? You can use it as eye power too, because you can hook on." One moment, I show it to you. You can hook on these eye power adapter cables too. Like you know them from the eye power of Lee or Kaisi. Here you can see you can use them too on the USB port of the device. So that's a nice feature we will have a look at later. But for us the important feature is the following. So I show it to you. We go right on hands. This is the device. This is your probe and this is your ground, okay? And you can, when you start the device, you can just choose which line you want. The key feature is that this device removes the short on the board. If you got a short on VCC main, the device injects 4 volts and at maximum 40 amps in the line to kill the short. It's got an Arduino board with a micro processor, and the engineer says that it can't kill any board, okay? It can't kill any board. You can't get a trace damage or a broken IC, because when the short is under an IC or a trace is shorted or broken, it won't affect this, okay? That's what the engineer says, and I want to see if this is right. So I take just an iCloud board of an iPhone 7 and we do a short on it, okay? We just break a capacitor on VDD main, and then we have a look how it works, I would say. So let's have a look. For capacitor on VDD main on this beautiful iPhone 7 iCloud board. So before I show you that the board boots, and after that we will do the short on the board, okay? So we can just test the eye power interface mode, and so eye power mode trigger. So let's just test it. iPhone 7 4.7 looks nice. So let's hook it up. Okay, let's take a screen. We take this screen and we hook up the cable. Okay. So now let's test. Let's see. Okay, it boots. So you just have to get on the adapter cable for the device, and then you can press the trigger button on the Shortkiller and the device boots, okay? Here you can see the consumption in amps, and we set it to 3.6 volt, okay? You can use from 3.6 to 4.2 volts. It's no problem, okay? You see, it works. Home button can't work because it's another screen and this here is just an iCloud board, okay? So we take it off, lift the screen off, and we just do short on this board, okay? That device needs 20 volt under DC power supply. You can set it 5 amps, 20 volts, and then plug in the cable and it will start. So let's have a look. We just choose a nice cap. Give me one moment. I just peel off the sticker at the sides so it looks nice. And then we look for a cap on VDD. And just kick it off. So my ZXW is just loading. I want to see nice cap, which I can use for that. So, and then we just look for the short, for doing the short, okay? So backside next to the power IC here, CPU VAR, OV9, VAR, we just need VDD, PP, VDD, PP, VDD main. Okay, nice. We take this one right on top of the power IC, okay? So, and now we just try to crack it. Just have a look if we already got a short here. Just go to the iPower mode again. Short circuit. Okay, so we got a short on VDD main now. So let's see what happens if we get now the Shortkiller. So we take our fluke and just see one time. This is an Intel board, sorry. Okay, here we have VDD main, and now we just inject VDD main. I just go to the on hands and show you what I do. So we choose VCC main auto, okay? And now we just get up this cable here at this side right to the NAND to getting ground, okay? I go under the microscope. And after that, we just need that probe, and when we press this button, the device will work, okay? We will have a look at the microscope to see what happens here, okay? So I hope I can use the microscope and the on hands without any lag. So, okay, should work. So, okay, let's try. Did you see that? Okay. Did you see that? The short should have gone. You see the cap on the top? It's just moved away. So let's have a look if the short has really gone or not. And the short has gone. The short has gone. And you see the cap, how it looks like? It's just blown away. Okay? So, in this case, the tool is not bad, because this cap sits next to the power IC and behind the CPU. So if we take this cap out, for me it's not a problem to take this cap out, because I just use less hot air, I clean the underfill or overfill and take it out. But for some other people who are not they have not the experience on these repairs, yeah, it could be hard to take this out without doing a damage to the big power IC or to the CPU on the other side. But let's see if this device now boots again or not. Okay, so I take the picture a little bit higher here so you can see. I just get the mode to iPower mode. Okay, I plug in the cable, I get on a screen, bam, and then hook up the iPower and just start. And see, bam, the device starts. We had a VDD main short before and removed by just using our Shortkiller. Okay? So, but the key is you need to know what you can to do with that. So you can't inject VDD main voltage in a 0 V9 line. That's not possible. Yeah. So you see, it works without any problems. The short has gone, and you didn't need to remove the cap. On VDD main, there are so many caps, so it's no problem if one cap goes. Yeah, you always have to take a look for the circuit and have to see how many of these caps are there, and do I really need all of them? Yeah. Then the next thing is, if the short is under an IC, I wouldn't use it. I wouldn't use it then. I just would use for small caps or caps next beside to underfilled parts like the big power IC or backside of the CPU. For that, it's really nice because you prevent further damages. Yeah. So, in my opinion, it's not the key to just use this Shortkiller. You have to do the diagnose as always, and when you then say, okay, in this case I need to be carefully, and I only want to shut up this one cap, and I don't want to get any damages on underfilled parts, yeah, then it's a really nice thing, but not for removing fast any shorts you see on the board. That's not the key feature. The key feature for me is that I can use this device and make something better than before, instead of damaging any underfilled parts. Okay, so I think it's a nice thing, and if you want to buy that, I will post a link under this video, so you can contact the seller in Germany, and he will give you all the information you need. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a short video about this new Shortkiller made in Turkye, and sold here in Germany by Tekin, a friend of me. Okay, thanks for your time, and tomorrow we will see us with some repair video. Okay, I'm out. Yours Ben, and if you want to learn things like soldering and finding damages on boards and changing parts on boards like capacitors, ICs and things like that, you can do this on the Board Level Repair School Germany. Come to our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Now I'm out. We see you with the next video.